Hey guys, Pascal here, and today I want to talk about marketing, but in a different sense. I want to talk about retention of residents because you can work your butt off on your marketing and your networking, and you can bring residents in. But if you're not keeping residents and they're moving out for reasons of unhappiness, unsatisfactions, you're spinning your wheels. So retention is extremely important. So if you have residents moving out, it's extremely important to try to follow up with the family and kind of get a sense of what happened, why they're unhappy, or what the situation may be. If you're in a larger facility, do your research, talk to staff. Sometimes staff can give you some insights on why a family was unhappy or why a resident was unhappy. A lot of times it's the resident complaining to the family about this and this, so that's why it's really important to train your staff and even the administration. You need to talk to the resident and you need to get a feel of how they're feeling. Check up on them daily. If they're unhappy with something, you jump on it and you try your best to solve the issue and keep them happy because families a lot of times are already feeling guilty that their loved one is in a facility. When they visit, the resident is continuously complaining to them, or the resident is calling them throughout the day, every day, that this is not good, this is not right. That's not good. That resident and that family are going to end up moving out. So, proactivity, keeping residents is extremely important. It is also important for compliance because a lot of these issues, you should probably be documenting it in your grievance log just to show that, that you took care of all their issues and they have some situations that they're not happy about, that you have documentation that you did take care of this. Because if it gets called in as a complaint, I'm just going to want to see what steps you took to be proactive on that. So let's get back to a positive note regarding the marketing and the retention. So listen, put this, if you're not already putting this in place in your facility, put it in place and make sure you're following up with the residents. You're going and talking to them and getting issues from them before they boil them up inside. Eventually they get angry about it, right? You go and you talk to them. Hey, is everything okay? And they're going to tell you, this, I got you. I'm going to take care of it. And that's going to go a whole long way for resident retention. Like I said, you're working your butts off to bring residents into the facility. We don't want them coming in the front door, then leaving out the back door. So listen, if you don't have this in place, like I said, get on it, get your staff on board, get everybody on board. It's a team effort because sometimes administrators might not be around for the resident with their grievances. Your staff need to be trained to go ahead and ask them if everything is okay. Are they happy with this, that? The activities director, same thing. If staff sees something, a resident is not happy about something, the quicker you address it, the more you're proactive. Families and residents are going to love you, and you are going to keep more residents in your facility. So listen, take that tip, work on it, and everybody have a great day.